Welcome to Fun Riddle Quiz. Here are 16 tricky fun riddles to test your brain power. Can you solve them all? But be sure to answer in 10 seconds only. Let's go. Challenge 1. 5 travelers are waiting in line at the airport. At first glance nothing seems wrong, but one of them doesn't belong here. Can you find out who is it? Answer before time run out. Very good, he is person E. Look closely, he got train ticket instead of an airline boarding pass, so he clearly not belongs here. Challenge number 2. 2 teachers were teaching in separate classrooms, but students find problem with one teacher, and later it was known only one of them is actually qualified to be a teacher. Can you tell who is the fake teacher? Comment your answer. Yes, teacher B is a fake teacher. Look at the board, she got several basic maths mistakes, and she even got lesson spelling wrong. It shows she is not a qualified teacher. Challenge 3. 2 girls are waiting for the metro at metro station, but one of them is making a dangerous mistake and is not safe. Can you spot who is not safe? Yes, girl B is not safe. Look at safety board, it says to stand behind yellow line, but she's standing beyond it and isn't paying attention, creating a serious safety risk. Challenge 4. 3 friends plan to meet up at sharp 10, but one of them arrived late. Can you guess who was last to arrive? Look carefully. You caught him, it's person A. Look at these empty glass and melted ice cream, shows 2 friends were on time. And only person A got his cup still hot. Challenge 5. 2 women visited a luxurious mall this evening, but one of them is actually wealthy. Can you figure out another woman who is pretending to be wealthy? Correct, it's woman A. Look carefully, the rent badge on her car and hanging price tag on her purse shows she is showing off. Challenge 6. There are 4 persons in front of you, they all claim to be prince, but actually one of them is real prince. Can you find out who is the real prince? Think carefully. It's person D is the real prince. Look, he got royal birthmark. Challenge 7. 4 people appear to be sleeping, but one of them isn't asleep at all, he is actually dead. Can you figure out who is dead? It's person D is dead. Look closely, it's only person D is still, and have cold pale body color. Challenge 8. An agency hired a new team for its project, but one spy infiltrated in the team. Can you find out who is a spy? Hurry up. The spy is person A. The silent microphone reveals that this person isn't who he is claimed to be. Challenge 9. Here comes a quick riddle. From an office a laptop was found missing, but no one knows who robbed it. Can you spot the thief? Look carefully. Very good, thief is person D. Look closely at his pocket, laptop charger is hanging outside from it, shows he robbed it. Challenge number 10. 4 workers working in a jewelry shop, but one of them intention is to steal the diamond. Can you figure it out who is the real thief, just by looking at the image? Yes, person B is the real thief. Look at her pocket, she got diamond cage opener with her. Challenge 11. Someone accidentally smashed an expensive vase. 4 people insist they are innocent, but the evidence says otherwise. Can you find the real culprit? Think fast. You caught him, he is person C. Look at the vase paint he got to his shirt's arm. Challenge 12. A traveler got tired from whole day of journey, and now he needed some rest. Can you help him, which home he should choose to stay for the night? The house B looks safe. Look, it's the only home, showing normal signs of everyday life, and have shadow of humans. While the others reveal clear warning signs that something isn't right. Challenge 13. A massive flood has trapped 4 people, but one of them have actually made a smart move to get rescued. Can you figure out who is it? Answer carefully. It's person B. Look, he having life jacket on, and also have rescuing whistle. Challenge 14. A thirsty man was passing through a jungle. Suddenly he came across 3 drinks kept on a table. All drinks at once looked refreshing, but actually one of them is poisonous. Can you help him to know which one is poisonous? Correct, its drink B is not safe. Look at it, the flies due to poison died in it. Reveals it's poisonous. Challenge 15. Can you count all the mistakes in this farm scene? Comment your answer. Correct, here are 4 mistakes. Challenge 16. A man got trapped beyond 3 mysterious doors. He knows out of 3 one door is totally safe to go out, but he not knows which one is it. Can you tell him which door is safe? Think carefully. Yes, it's the 3rd door is totally safe. Look at the cat sitting outside it, shows there's no danger hiding behind that door. At last, comment your final score and subscribe to channel for more such riddles.